Solo today. Eamon is working on something, and I'm on another trip to Home Depot, my favorite place in the whole world. Actually, I said I was solo. I'm not really solo. I got my little buddy Batman down here. Hey, Batty, say hello. And my little girl Lucy. What's up, Luce? I'll do you a little B-roll here. What's up, George? Everything buttered today? Hey, where would I find a nice wide piece? Does pine come 12 inches?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'll get one of the lumber.
Where are you, in ice cream cones or what? I'm kidding. So we're still waiting for the saw here at Home Depot. This Home Depot seems to be losing its grip on management or something. I'm not sure, but anyway, they keep saying they're really busy, and I'm sure they are, but service is really deteriorating, just so you know. Thanks. This is just for a vlog. It's got nothing to do with you.
What's up, Shoeless Joe? Welcome to another Vlog Nation. Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Excellent. How was your vlog mission?
Oh, it was good. I just ran out of battery. It's just
so you were really on fire, eh?
Yeah, I was trying to hook it up to the car battery, but it didn't work.
Well, what's up, guys? It's been kind of a crazy morning for me this morning. I started by just sitting down and smashing out an edit because I'm a little bit behind on schedule. But my dad was up early. He's already been to Home Depot. He brought a little vlog with him. He's getting into it today and yesterday. He's like a solo vlogger now. I'm super always excited to see what he filmed when I'm editing it. Yesterday we didn't do much. I didn't feel like it was that successful on the van. So today, I think we're gonna make up on it. I gotta go talk to him, see what he's got planned. Let's go! We got a plan. We're about to execute. First we're gonna have a little bit of lunch. Last night I made a little bit of Indian curry kind of soup situation. It's pretty delicious. And then there's a lot of little things we can just start to tick. So, lunch, and then we'll just start ticking.
And I want to give a shout out to my one and only fantastic fan.
Oh yeah, you got to give him a shout out. We'll do it inside.
Eric showed up this morning and said, "Hi Bob, I've got a couple of items that I think that you would really like." And he hooked me up with a little roll of LEDs. I was looking for a place yesterday to hang my dog leashes, and he hooked me up with these nifty little things. And you just put them on, and you can put them up or down, and then you got 6 of them. I could have like 6 dogs. Put 6 leashes there. Oh, and I'm the only guy, you know, you've heard of Rodeo Drive in California?
Yeah.
So in Rodeo Drive, these people, anybody who lives in Rodeo Drive, they are the only people that have the screwless AC electrical plates.
Oh, wow.
That are screwless, so there's no screws on them.
Only on Rodeo Drive. That's
only on
fancy.
Rodeo Drive.
Yeah.
I'm sure there might be a van somewhere, but I don't think so. So we've got these things that are super cool. Again, this is kind of like high-end stuff like Rodeo Drive. So these are like little tiny switches, DC switches. So what they're for is a little cabinet, right? So if you close cabinet. So when you close the door, the light goes out. When you open the door, the light goes on. Okay. I'm pretty stoked, and I want to just say to Eric, if you're watching this, Eric, thank you so much. You're a super guy, and I hope I can return the favor someday.
Bob, you getting caught up on the vlogs?
Pardon?
You getting caught up on the vlogs?
I'm getting caught up on the vlogs. Quite funny, this one.
Hey, is John there? Yeah, I'm the van guy just up the road. We're looking for a mattress. Okay, if you can let him know I called, that'd be helpful. So you know a new buddy Eric. He just taught us a little hack here. How do you know which one's red, which one's positive? Oh, it says positive, negative.
Well, you got, and if it doesn't work, you turn them around.
You won't blow the thing? So, if you want to test your lights, you can just use a normal battery from a drill. It's 12 volt. And you can go right into your positive, and right into your negative. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. How cool is that? I mean, obviously that works, right? But I never thought of that. That's amazing.
All the electricians that see your block after that are going to go, duh.
Yo, unsubscribe. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. I'm not gonna spend too much time kind of explaining how I'm gonna hook up all these lights because it's pretty straightforward. You're literally taking a black to a black and a white to a white.
This time, have a good look at not the wiring, but Eamon's facial expressions when he's trying to twist them together and do stuff.
Why I make some good facial impressions?
Quite a lot of facial expressions.
Solid wire is a lot more difficult to work with, but we're just gonna pinch those with the best quality pliers you got. We're gonna kind of twist those together, and now we're gonna add the black one on. This is why I really didn't want to get this kind of wire, because this is like
It's not that complicated.
way more complicated.
Stop your grumping.
Okay, to test this, we're just gonna use our 12-volt battery. Come over down to this section because we don't have our batteries yet, and we can plug that right in.
That's the circuit. Boom.
And we got power.
Show them your face when you do the twisting of the wires. The tongue hanging there.
Something like that. Here's a prime example why you want to leave extra wire. So we are a little short on this one. It is going to be just a little more difficult. Kind of a cool concept that we're doing that we don't have on our design. So we're actually going to put a piano hinge here so that these guys, give them a little demo, Dad.
You're going to be able to access this like this and look inside.
Yeah, cool.
And then put it down.
So we're going to do 3 separate compartments. And we got 1 piano hinge, which is a little bit of a hack. You could buy 1 small one for 20 bucks. You can buy 1 big one for 20 bucks. And apparently you can just cut this. So we're just going to cut that with the angle iron. Fit those along there. We might need to add a little bit extra wood. Make sure the hinge actually properly opens. And then we're Jim Dandy, eh?
We are Jim Dandy. I just want to check the length of all these pieces.
Okay, we're just building up this little area here so the hinge can sit on it. So it'll hinge up. T-bench in full effect here.
There we go.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Sit down.
What do you think of that?
Some folks over for tea.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we got the big screen TV coming up.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
And what about the, if you want to grab an extra pillow?
Extra pillow. Right here.
Love it.
Oh, we need to put the shopping cart on there.
Looks good, man. Good work.
Good work.
Okay, Blue Jay. Let's work on the cupboard door. When it comes to cupboard doors, I am learning as we go to not do them yourself, or at least don't try and like. I mean, it worked for me. If I did the van again, I'd probably do what my dad's doing. He bought this like laminate stuff, so you don't have to paint it, and it's like scratch proof and it'll stay clean. So we just cut that, and we're gonna run that along the face here. So we've got a 4-foot piece for there, and then we've got 2 other sections. Another massive key learning is you can buy a template kit. Wow, this is gonna be key. Step number 1 is I'm gonna add another piece of strapping onto here, and that way my hinge will be bolted onto that. Woo. Hopefully that works. Hey, this might be the time. This could be the time we're waiting for right here.
For the oscillating saw?
I know you've been thinking about it. That worked really well. The reason why we wanted that cut right here in the rib is obviously because we want to get a screw in there and a screw in there. So you want to get at least 2 screws on the end. Thanks, Eric. When it comes to these hinges, they're by a company called Richelieu. Richelieu. Have you heard of that?
It's French, yeah.
It sounds French. Put a little hole where it says to put the hole. Put another little hole.
And is that for melamine? You sure won't smash it all to bits?
No idea if it's going to smash it all to bits or not.
Oh, well, you know
So now I'm just assuming that's going to go right in the middle. Shout out to Dyson, brilliant guy. Shout out to Dyson. Shout out to Dyson. I think that's pretty good, eh?
That looks pretty good to me. All right.
I think I'm going to use different screws than they recommend though.
Okay.
That oak smells nice. That's a nice wood, huh?
Smells like burnt money, eh?
Whew. Go for a little toke with the oak.
Look at that. That's perfect. Look at the line there.
Really?
That is perfect, man. But we need a spring.
Yeah.
We would need a spring. Not too pretty inside, but you know, the only thing that'd be bothered with that are the dishes.
Moment of truth, homies. Let's see how we did. And here we are. Nice little cabinetry, all done.
Super.
Okay, this is a brilliant Bob move here.
Brilliant, another brilliant. All right, 2 brilliants.
I don't think I called you brilliant before.
Yes, you did. Check your blog.
Actually, I did. I did in today's vlog.
Yeah.
You know what, Dad? I'm gonna give you a little bit of credit here, because he had this obsession with barn doors, and there's actually a scene in tomorrow's vlog, or yesterday's vlog, because it's yesterday, where I'm like kind of in the background making fun of him because I had told him that it's gonna be too expensive to do the barn doors, and he like was very adamant. So he's like talking to the staff there and wasted about half an hour of our time. But it was all good because he came up with this concept, which is super cheap and basically does the same thing. It's super, super cool. Let me show you. This is just, what do you call this, cardboard?
Cardboard.
What fancy material is this? And this is on a track system. So Bob, if you want to access the one at the front, how do you do that?
Well, I'll have a little handle, and I'll just, I gotta set up the guide a little bit better than this.
Yeah.
So it technically, there's something stopping it.
So technically it doesn't work?
Technically. But
No, but we'll show them this one. So you would just slide it open like that, and then grab it, and then slide it back, and he'll have a handle, and we'll figure out the kinks. It might be hitting some screws or something, right?
Yeah.
Super, super cool design. I like that. Eric, I don't know why, dude, but we're so fascinated by this concept. We've got the fan plugged into this battery. We can see how much our usage is. And she's just working beauty.
What you call fantastic.
And then we're gonna hook up this one too. Because why the hell not?
You want to use that word again, the G word?
No.
No?
G word or the B word?
G. Genius?
No, it's brilliant.
Oh, brilliant.
Let's not push
Brilliant?
it today.
Oh, okay.
Let's not push it.
Alright.
I'm loving that.
Okay.
Man, we could even hook up the LED light strip if we wanted.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey?
We're going to put that under the van.
You want to do that? I'm so down.
No, we're running out of batteries, bud.
No, we're cruising, man.
Okay.
We're full juice, dude. We're full juice.
Sign off the blog here.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're having a lot of fun playing around with electricity. I hope we don't push it too far and get electrocuted. Is that a thumbs up? Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. If you like this video, you'll probably like tomorrow, so subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time. We daily vlogging, son.
Boom.
On tomorrow's episode, I'm gonna be sick.
Becca's back.
Good to be back.
Alright.
Still going. What?
You're sun tanning.
Yeah, I'm suntanning.
So this is what the inside of a lens looks like, in case you guys are curious.
The connection.
Approval on that.
Well, I've never done it before.
Yeah, I was just about to turn off the vlog, but that was really funny.